morning, my lovely students. How are you? How's everything? Hope you are all fine and great. We're gonna continue our topic, which is triangle. As you know, that we've covered the classification of triangles based on the side length, and we've started classification of triangles based on the angles, measure of the angles. Do you remember? Do you remember this? Let's revise it again. Do you remember when we said the classification of triangles by the measure of their angles, or by the angle measurements? And we said that we have three types of triangles based on the measure of their angles. Do you remember this? And we said that the acute angle, the first triangle, or the first type of the triangles, which is called acute angle. Do you remember that we said that the acute angle, where all angles inside the triangle are less than 90 degrees. Yani each angle is less than 90 degrees. Yani for example, this angle equals, like here, this example, 45, the other angle is 80, the third angle equals to 55. Yani each and every angle inside the triangle is less than 90 degrees. Here we have the other example. Each angle equals to 60 degrees, and 60 is less than 90. So I call this triangle an acute angled triangle. Also this triangle, this angle equals 30 degrees, which is less than 90 degrees. This angle equals 80 degrees, which is also less than 90 degrees, and the third angle equals to 70 degrees, which is also less than 90 degrees. Yani each angle has to be less than 90 degrees. So I can say, or I can call this triangle as an acute angle triangle. And the second type of the angles based on the measure of the angles is the right angle triangle. The right angle triangle, where only one angle in this triangle, only one angle equals to 90, exactly 90 degrees. One angle only. Yani if I see one angle only inside this triangle equals to 90 degrees, يبقى I can call this triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay? يبقى I can call this triangle a right angle triangle. Type. What about the last type? If you remember that a triangle, I can call a triangle an obtuse angle triangle if I find one angle only greater than 90 degrees. Greater, yani even if it is 95, so I can call this triangle obtuse angle triangle. One angle only. I don't care about the other two angles. I care about one angle only. If I find one angle only equals to greater than 90 degrees, so I can call this triangle an obtuse angle triangle. Let's take an exercise in order to clarify what we are saying more. Here, what is the question? He's asking me, insert each triangle based on the angles. Yani write down here the type of the triangle based on the angle. Based on the angle, you have to write to read the question carefully. Insert each triangle based on angles, not sides. Okay, type here. The first one is solved already. Here first angle equals to 71, second angle equals to 71, third angle equals to 38. What does this mean? It means that each angle is less than 90 degrees. Each angle is less than 90 degrees. So as long as each angle less than 90 degree, so I can call this triangle as an acute angle triangle, right? Type. Here I want to tell you something. If you find this sign, اللي هي السemi square or half square like this means 90 degrees. يبقى rule. If you find this sign like here, you see this sign, let me write it in order to if you find a semi or half square, if you find half square, it means a 90-degree angle. In other words, if you find, let me make it bold in order to because this is very important. Okay, yes. So here, if you find this half square inside the triangle, it means 90 degrees. This half square means 90 degrees. So here he's giving me two angles. Angle number one, first angle equals to 42, and second angle equals 48 type. The third angle, he's just drawing the half circle. He didn't write number. So it goes without saying, as long as I see this half circle, it means 90 degrees. يبقى as long as I see 90 degrees, يبقى this triangle is a right angle triangle. يبقى without writing down the number of the angle, as long as he draws this half square, يبقى it means 90 degrees. يبقى as long as I have a 190 degrees inside a triangle, so this means a right angle triangle. This is a right angled triangle. What about the third one? The third question here, this angle equals to 40 degrees, and the other one, the second one, equals to 40 degrees. طيب, what about the third one? The third one equals to 100 degrees. As long as I have one angle inside any triangle greater than 90 degrees, I call this triangle an obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Number four هنا, what did you see? I see half square. As long as I see this half square, it means what? This half square means 90 degrees. Yes, it means 90 degrees. يبقى as long as I see 90 degrees inside any triangle, يبقى it means half square, it means 90 degrees. يبقى this triangle is a right angle triangle. Yes, it's a right angle triangle. يبقى as long as I see half square inside any triangle, it means this half square means 90 degrees. As long as I see 90 degrees, so it is one angle equal 90 degrees, يبقى it's called right angle triangle. What about number 5? Number 5, measure of angle 1 equal 24, measure of angle 2 equals 54, and measure of angle 3 is 102. It's more than 90 degrees. يبقى what is the name of this, or what is the type of this triangle? Is it acute, right, or obtuse? As long as I have one angle greater than 90 degrees, يبقى this triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. Right, you are right. Let's go for number 6. Here, first angle equals to 52, second angle equals to 75, third angle equals to 53. Don't you see something? Each angle is less than 90 degrees. Each angle, 52 is less than 90 degrees. 75 is also less than 90 degrees. 53 is also less than 90 degrees. يبقى each angle is less than 90 degrees. يبقى what is the type of this triangle? The type of this triangle is an acute angle triangle. Right, it's an acute angled triangle. Right. Let's go for number 7. Number 7 here. First angle 49. Second angle 34. Third angle 97. طيب, first angle 49. Second angle 34. طيب, third angle 97. Is it greater than 90? Yes, it's greater than 90. It is greater than 90. 97 is bigger than 90. So what is the type of this triangle from the 3 types we have covered? Is it acute, is it right, or obtuse? as long as I have one angle greater than 90 degrees, so I can call this triangle as an obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna stop our session until here, and tomorrow inshallah we're gonna continue our worksheet, and we're gonna continue more exercises. Inshallah, hope to see you soon inshallah in our school, and please stay safe at home, and see you tomorrow inshallah. We're gonna talk again tomorrow inshallah. Take care of yourself and have a good day. Bye.